If you are a HR professional, then you must have heard that 16% of US companies are hiring all their people remotely. The remote work revolution is real, but how can you take advantage of this as an Indian HR professional? The truth is that there is a huge demand for HR talent across the world. People want you to help them with their recruitment, they want you to help them with HR compliances, with HR strategy, with labor law compliances also. But how are you as a HR professional going to tap into the global talent market? How can you as an Indian HR professional get international remote jobs? Do you want to know more about this? We are doing a 3-day bootcamp to introduce Indian HR professionals to the world of remote work. We are going to show you how you can get jobs in US, UK, Dubai, Australia or Canada and even other countries working remotely from India. You don't have to get a visa to get these jobs, and still you get paid so much better than anything that any Indian employer will pay you. Do you want to know more about this? Register right now and I'm going to start sending you some fabulous material that you can use to learn more about these opportunities, because I want you to come to the bootcamp fully prepared to seize this golden opportunity. See you in the bootcamp.